So if you keep seeing angel number 222, you really need to watch this video, especially if you're watching this in 2021 or 2022. So if you're seeing this number, it means that there's a message that's trying to get through to you from the universe, which is really relevant right now. And it's gonna make a lot of sense as I explain what this really means, okay? So the strength of the number 2 is amplified because the master number 22 is also added to by another number 2. So this basically means that miracles, trust, and abundance are on their way to you from the universe. But the reason you're seeing this is actually not that specifically. It's more that the universe is letting you know that you should trust in the universe and give, almost like you're kind of surrendering to the universe. And the reason it's telling you this now is because it's kind of maybe detected that you need to see this message to give you motivation or kind of like assurance to keep going. And this is why a lot of people have been seeing this number in 2021, because things are pretty crazy right now. You know, people need that reassurance and that kind of confirmation that they are doing the right thing. They should try and move towards their goals, try and keep being positive and doing things that they should be doing. And the universe gives you this kind of number as like confirmation of that. So although it can symbolize miracles, trust, and things like that, and even like a message from your guardian angel to tell you to trust them, it's actually just a confirmation. It's basically the universe saying, don't worry, this is all part of the plan, keep going, keep staying positive, don't panic. It's actually a really powerful number. The number 2 in numerology is a really powerful number. And if this is your number, then it means usually that you're kind of motivated, you're insightful, intelligent. And so if you keep seeing this number, it's a really, really good sign. It's telling you to maintain your faith, even though it's hard right now. Trust the universe and continue doing your work. Now, if you're seeing this number, this is only part of the picture. So you really need to be getting a numerology report. And don't panic, there is a free one that I'm going to tell you about right now. All you need to do is click the link in the description, and you can just, by entering a few basic details about yourself, you will be sent a free personalized numerology report, which is like a kind of video, which will annotate the different numbers, explain what they mean, and explain why you keep seeing certain numbers like 222. But long story short, if you're seeing this number, it is really good. It's a good sign. And I would strongly encourage you to go and check out the links in my description, specifically the one talking about numerology and what it means. Click the free report to get a free numerology report. And then also consider watching my free video training on how to kind of raise your frequency and vibrations and anchor more light in your body and mind. This is really going to help you, and it's really going to help you stay positive and really connect with your higher self, and it's going to do a lot for you. So, and this is all free. Okay, you can just click the links in the description. You can see this, understand how it works, and hopefully that makes sense for you. So leave a comment letting me know, how often do you see this number? Does it happen every day? Every week? Or, does it happen several times a day? I'd love to know. And I'll try and reply to everybody, and I'll see you next time.